Greetings everybody, Jacob here, your crypto beginner coach. I wanted to share with you that it's very easy to lose your cryptocurrency if you're doing these 3 common beginner mistakes. And then number 3 is you must remember your 12 or 24 key phrases that you have to write down. And a lot of people say, I don't need to write it down, I'm good to go. You need to write them down because if something does happen to your laptop or your phone, you have the 12 key phrases, you can get right back in there. If this does not make sense to you or is still challenging or you're still not confident, you are more than welcome to comment below and say, hey, I need some more help. Can you explain this more to me? And you can purchase my 1 hour time by typing in crypto help below or DM me, and I will go ahead and give you an hour of my time once you purchase that to be able to get step-by-step one-on-one guidance as to how to do this confidently and properly so you will be able to rein in the control of your financial destiny and future, because this is the future money where things are going. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing since this video has added value to your life. I look forward to seeing your next video. Make it a blessed day.